Not sure if you heard, but Bighorn has a new menu out. Chicken alla Vodka Pasta. I've been waiting weeks to try this one. Bighorn says this is one of their most comforting meals yet. Step 1, open and remove oxygen absorber. Step 2, add 1.5 cups of rapidly boiling water. Step 3, stir, reseal, let stand for 15 minutes. Step 4, open, give it another good stir. Step 5, feast on. All right, it's been 15 minutes. Ooh, that smells really good. Okay. Large chunks of chicken, lots of pasta, more chicken. That's really good. I like that, I really enjoy that. They actually used real vodka in making this. And I can taste it. The chicken has a great texture. The sauce is really creamy. I want to say it tastes like a little spice at the end, maybe pepper, and does have that comfort food feeling. This does not taste like survival food, and it's definitely earned a spot in my backpack.